Welcome to a transformative journey into the realm of Asian beauty makeup, enhancing features. In this tutorial, we'll explore the art of makeup as a way to enhance and celebrate the distinct beauty that Asian features possess. Asian beauty embraces the philosophy of enhancing one's natural attributes, and this tutorial is your guide to achieving that perfect balance. From highlighting your eyes to achieving a flawless complexion, we'll cover a range of techniques that will empower you to create stunning makeup looks that enhance your features in a way that feels authentic and true to your identity. The eyes are often considered the focal point of Asian beauty, and we'll begin by delving into eye makeup techniques that enhance their allure. Whether you're aiming for a soft and subtle daytime look or a bold and dramatic evening style, we've got you covered with step-by-step instructions that cater to every occasion. Moving on to the complexion, we'll explore the art of creating a flawless base that showcases your skin's natural radiance. From foundation application to contouring and highlighting, you'll learn how to accentuate your facial structure and achieve a harmonious look that embraces your unique skin tone. Brows play a pivotal role in framing your face, and we'll guide you through shaping and defining your brows to complement your features perfectly. Additionally, we'll delve into lip makeup techniques that strike the perfect balance between subtlety and sophistication. Blush application takes on a special significance in Asian beauty, as it imparts a youthful and radiant glow to the skin. Our blending techniques will help you achieve that coveted flushed look that harmonizes seamlessly with your overall makeup. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be equipped with the knowledge and skills to confidently create Asian beauty makeup looks that enhance your features while honoring the rich traditions of Asian beauty aesthetics. Get ready to embrace your natural beauty and discover the transformative power of makeup that celebrates and enhances your unique identity. Your journey into the world of Asian beauty makeup, enhancing features starts now.